Hello everyone, this is Tyson with the Miami Association Realtors bringing you another quick tip on how to search for open houses in the MLS and navigate through the different options that are available. In order to do an open house search in the MLS, you're going to go up here under search, and then you're going to scroll down to this section where it says open house. Then you're going to give it a click. Now in the top left corner is the first section that we want to visit. It's going to say open house type. There's a couple of different options in the MLS. You have broker open, public, virtual broker only, and then virtual public. So first I'm going to click on broker open house so I can go over usually what that means in the MLS system. Broker open houses are typically during the week. For example, a broker open house located in Miami Beach is usually scheduled on a Tuesday of each week. Everywhere else, it's usually on a Wednesday for a broker open house. Moving down, we're going to select public. That's the one that you're usually going to see in the MLS. Those are usually scheduled during the weekend, but can be scheduled in the system pretty much at any time. The next option is virtual broker only. This means that the broker open house is going to be scheduled virtually. So there's only 2 of those in this system. In order to get more information based on virtual broker only listings, you'll need to click on results. And then from there, over here, you're going to see OHURL. This is going to show you the manner in which you can view the open house virtually. For example, they have it scheduled on May the 24th between 6 to 7. In order to access it, you're going to need to click the virtual tour open house option right here. The next option is virtual public. Currently only 2 of those in the system at this time. This would work similar to what I mentioned for virtual broker only. You would go down here to results and see the date and time and how to access it using the link option under URL open house. Now we're going to search for open houses by including some additional criteria located here in the center. We're going to look up public open houses in the Miami Beach area. So we're going to go here where you see city. We're going to type in Miami Beach. And then from here, we're going to go to the top where it says open house type. We're going to select public. Do want to make sure to mention that open house active should already reflect yes. If it does not, make sure to include that. And then from here, we're going to select, for this example, single family, and then click results. From here, you can see the date of the open houses in this section, the start and end time as well. I'm going to scroll over, and then that way you can see the description of each open house as well. Hope you guys found this tip helpful. You can find other tips like this by going to our YouTube channel, which is youtube.com/miamitrainers, and also within our MLS Help Center as well. Thank you for watching, and thank you for being a member. Have a great day.